Before frozen waffles reach American breakfast tables, they begin with wheat, dairy ingredients, factory baking, and frozen distribution. These frozen waffles are the result of grain farming, batter science, high-speed baking, and cold chain logistics. The flour in frozen waffles begins with wheat planted in real fields. The seed drill places wheat seed at controlled depth and spacing. Small wheat shoots emerge and begin building the grain crop. Farmers monitor the crop so the grain can meet milling quality. Wheat heads fill with kernels that later become flour. Harvest equipment is checked before cutting the wheat. Combine separates wheat kernels from the plant. Harvested grain moves from combine to cart and then to storage. At the elevator, wheat is received, cleaned, and stored.
Cleaning removes debris before wheat enters flour milling.
Clean wheat is stored until the flour mill needs it.
The mill samples wheat before grinding it into flour.
Conditioning prepares wheat kernels for efficient milling.
Roller mills gradually break wheat into flour streams.
Sifting separates the flour stream used in waffle batter.
The milled flour is stored before moving to the waffle factory.
Milk ingredients begin with dairy farm management. Milk travels through closed lines into cooling tanks. Cooling begins quickly to protect milk quality.
Insulated tankers move cooled milk into the food supply chain.
Egg ingredients help waffles develop color, structure, and flavor. Bulk flour enters the factory through sealed pneumatic lines. Liquid ingredients are transferred into clean storage tanks.
Dry ingredients are measured before the batter is mixed.
Sifting creates a cleaner, more uniform flour stream.
The dry base is measured into the batter mixer.
Milk, egg, and other liquids hydrate the waffle batter.
Mixing turns dry and wet ingredients into a smooth batter.
High shear mixing helps remove lumps and improve batter consistency.
Batter thickness affects how waffles spread and bake.
The holding tank keeps batter uniform before it reaches the waffle baker.
The waffle plate pattern creates the familiar grid shape.
Preheated plates help batter set quickly into the waffle shape.
The depositor controls how much batter enters each waffle plate.
Measured batter drops onto hot waffle plates. The plates close and press the batter into the grid pattern.
The baker controls time and heat as waffles cook.
Steam release shows moisture leaving the batter during baking.
At the discharge, baked waffles release from the plates.
Workers check color and grid shape as waffles leave the baker.
Cooling stabilizes waffles before they enter the freezer. Long cooling belts help moisture and temperature equalize.
Damaged waffles are removed before freezing.
Shape grading helps packages contain consistent waffles.
Color sorting helps keep waffle appearance consistent. Spacing allows cold air to reach every waffle surface. Freezer rapidly lowers waffle temperature for long storage. A spiral belt freezes many waffles in a compact space.
At the freezer exit, waffles are stable frozen breakfast products. Frozen waffles are inspected again before packaging. Stacking equipment groups waffles into package portions.
Checkweighing verifies the portion before packaging. Metal detection is one of the final factory safety checks.
Packaging film is aligned before waffles are sealed into bags. Frozen waffle stacks are sealed into retail bags.
Seal inspection protects frozen waffles during storage.
Bags are packed into cartons for warehouse handling.
Sealed cartons protect frozen waffle packs during delivery.
Palletizing turns cartons into one movable freezer load. Stretch wrapping keeps the frozen load stable. Packaged waffles move quickly into frozen storage. Frozen warehouses organize waffle pallets by product and route. Scanning keeps each pallet traceable inside the freezer. Frozen waffle orders are picked while staying inside the frozen zone.
The trailer is pre-cooled before frozen waffles are loaded.
Cold loading protects the product during distribution. Refrigerated trucks carry frozen waffles to stores and food service freezers. Retail frozen waffles move through grocery distribution centers.
Grocery workers stock frozen waffles in breakfast freezer sections.
Some frozen waffles enter school breakfast programs. School kitchens keep waffles frozen until breakfast preparation.
Cafeteria staff reheat waffles before breakfast service.
Waffles become part of a complete school breakfast tray.
At home, Frozen waffles wait in the freezer for quick breakfast.
Consumers finish frozen waffles in a toaster or oven. The long production chain ends as a simple breakfast plate.
Quality control follows the waffle from field to freezer. Flour quality begins with wheat testing and milling control. Ingredient control keeps the batter recipe consistent.
Batter thickness controls how waffles spread and bake. Baking creates the waffle shape, color, and texture. Cooling and freezing prepare waffles for long-distance distribution. Final checks happen before waffles enter cartons.
Dry ingredient areas require dust control and regular cleaning.
Batter mixers must be cleaned because batter residue clings to surfaces. Clean plates help waffles release evenly during baking.
Freezer maintenance keeps frozen waffles moving smoothly.
Packaging areas are cleaned before the next shift. Flour quality affects waffle structure, color, and bite.
Egg ingredients help waffles hold structure during baking. Leavening helps waffles rise and form a lighter texture.
If batter is too thin or too thick, the waffle shape can fail.
The grid plate creates the pockets that hold butter and syrup.
Cooling before freezing helps reduce ice buildup and texture damage.
Cold chain keeps waffles frozen from factory to breakfast.
Stage 1 turns wheat into flour for waffle batter.
Stage 2 prepares milk and egg ingredients for the batter. Stage 3 measures dry and liquid ingredients. Stage 4 creates smooth batter for the waffle baker. Stage 5 deposits batter into the waffle plates. Stage 6 bakes the waffles into their final shape. Stage 7 cools and inspects waffles before freezing. Stage 8 freezes the waffles for storage and delivery. Stage 9 prepares frozen waffles for warehouse shipment. Stage 10 moves frozen waffles through the cold chain. Stage 11 brings waffles to school breakfasts and family tables.
Roller milling breaks wheat into flour used for batter. Sifting helps the batter mix more smoothly. The mixer combines dry and liquid ingredients into the batter. A controlled pump supplies batter to the depositor.
Depositor accuracy keeps waffle size consistent.
The rotary baker cooks waffles continuously at industrial scale.
Clean plates help waffles release without tearing.
Cooling conveyors lower temperature before freezing.
Optical inspection helps maintain consistent color. The spiral freezer freezes high volumes in a compact footprint.
Stacking equipment groups waffles before bagging.
The bagger seals waffle stacks for retail freezers.
Inspection equipment is verified during production.
Retail bags are designed for family freezer storage.
Bulk cartons supply cafeterias and breakfast programs. Warehouse teams sort frozen waffles by customer route. Controlled batter flow reduces mess and improves line consistency.
Broken pieces are separated from the approved product stream. Packaging materials must be staged before the line starts. The waffle journey begins with wheat harvest. The mill turns wheat into flour for batter. Milk ingredients are collected and cooled before factory use.
Egg ingredients support waffle structure and color.
Measured ingredients keep every batch consistent.
Batter is mixed until smooth and even.
Batter flow is checked before it reaches the baker.
The grid plates create the waffle pockets.
Measured batter lands on each hot waffle plate. Plates close and shape the batter into waffles.
Heat transforms batter into golden waffles.
Baked waffles release onto the conveyor.
Cooling stabilizes waffles before freezing.
Only consistent waffles continue to freezing.
Rapid freezing prepares waffles for grocery freezers.
Frozen waffles leave the freezer ready for packing.
The stacker groups waffles for retail packaging. Final checks happen before the package is sealed.
Bagging turns waffle stacks into freezer-ready retail packs. Cartons protect retail bags during warehouse movement.
Pallets prepare cartons for frozen storage.
Frozen warehouses keep waffle pallets cold and traceable.
Refrigerated trailers carry waffles through the cold chain.
Frozen waffles travel by refrigerated delivery trucks. Retail packs reach grocery breakfast freezers.
Bulk cartons support school breakfast service.
In cafeterias, waffles become part of breakfast trays.
At home, the product waits in the family freezer.
Audio contains speech. The toaster finishes the waffle at home.
The long frozen supply chain ends as breakfast.
A frozen waffle connects wheat, dairy, eggs, batter, baking, freezing, and breakfast.
Each machine solves one step: mix, deposit, bake, cool, freeze, and pack.
Quality checks happen before, during, and after baking.
The cold chain protects texture until the waffle reaches a toaster.
Wheat becomes the flour that forms the waffle base.
Milk and eggs support flavor, color, and structure.
The batter must be smooth before baking.
Measured deposits create consistent waffle size.
Heat turns batter into golden waffles.
Cooling and inspection protect final appearance. Freezing turns baked waffles into freezer-stable breakfast food. Packaging prepares waffles for retail and food service freezers.
Frozen storage keeps the product ready for delivery.
Refrigerated delivery carries waffles to freezers across America. Grocery freezers connect the factory to family breakfasts. Food service packs can support school breakfast meals. At home, the toaster finishes the frozen waffle.
A waffle starts with simple ingredients, organized into a precise recipe.
The factory chain turns batter into a frozen breakfast product.
The same waffle can serve grocery stores, schools, and family kitchens.
Cold storage protects waffles until the final toaster step.
Families often serve waffles with fruit, milk, or other breakfast sides.
Every station is connected to the next.
This is the key transformation. Batter becomes waffle.
A clean release shows the baker is running correctly.
Freezing turns fresh-baked waffles into breakfast freezer products. Packaging prepares waffles for cold chain shipping.
Frozen warehouses hold finished waffles before delivery.
From factory freezer to grocery freezer, the product stays cold.
Food service waffles support fast breakfast service.
At home, the toaster finishes the process.
The final product is simple, familiar, and easy to prepare. Wheat becomes flour, flour becomes batter, batter becomes waffles, and waffles become frozen breakfast. The raw materials come from farms and ingredient suppliers. Inside the factory, each step is timed, measured, and inspected.
Cold chain keeps waffles frozen after packaging.
The final stage happens in kitchens, cafeterias, and breakfast tables.
From wheat and dairy ingredients to batter, baking, freezing, delivery, and breakfast, this is the complete frozen waffle process.
Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Subscribe, like, share, and comment what full AZ process we should explore next.